If you have multiple tabs open in your browser and accidentally close a tab, then to reopen the tab, just press the Ctrl Shift and T keys. And if you close multiple tabs and need to reopen them, press the Ctrl Shift and T keys repeatedly till you get back all the tabs. It works for most browsers. You can also use the mouse to recover tabs. In Firefox, right-click on one of the tabs and click on Reopen Closed tab. In Google Chrome, right-click on the tabs bar and click on Reopen Closed tab. Thank you for watching.